Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode from.
The PixelCraft server.
And today, we're going to be splitting up, but we decided to do the intro together like every episode.
Yep.
So, take it from here. This is
Okay.
your part.
So we are in the shopping district, like I said last episode. I want to do a shop. This is what I'm talking about. This isn't gonna work for me anymore because I have a plan, not that box. I need this box, and this box. So I'm thinking right over here where our future iron shop is going, there needs to be a special cool design, okay? And this is what I need. I need a little bit of this. We had shulkers full, so I just grabbed one. We need a bunch of white blocks and a bunch of greens and stuff like that. And I'm going to do a design that Dino created a long time ago.
Not mine.
It's not yours?
No.
Oh, well, Dino found it. He finds a lot of stuff, a lot of cool stuff. And I'm going to put it right in this kind of corner thing, kind of tucked in, and have it come out like this. And I don't know if you could guess. If you guess skeleton skull, you're wrong. You want to know why? Because I'm building a dragon skull. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's going to look pretty cool and kind of makes sense because, there's like a treasure chest right there, and that's basically it. It's cool, and I wanted to build it for the bone meal shop. So I'm like, yeah, let's do that. So, yep. This it is a pretty decent sized build. Plus, I have to do a bunch of terraforming around it. I'm gonna see what I can get done this episode. So, yeah.
So, she's going to get work on that. Unless I change my mind in the next however long, I'm going to start work on the boat, which I showed you the platform for in the last episode. It's a bunch of scaffolding in the ocean. But I wanted to be here with her, so.
Ooh. No, no, no.
I swear I can hit better than this sometimes.
No, no, no.
Got her.
Ow! Hey, I didn't hit you with my sword.
You also can't hit me again. Ha 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 ha!
You cheater!
I believe I can fly. I believe you'll never catch me alive.
Where's my bow?
You don't even know where I am. Loser. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go build the boat. Oh my gosh, there's a new shop. There's a frog shop.
There's a frog shop?
Or just a frog.
Oh, it's so cute!
There's no entrance. So maybe it's not a shop. It's just a frog. How did we not see this earlier? Maybe it was just built. It's hollow.
Dang it, come back!
You missed me, you missed me.
It's so cute!
Yeah. Oh, also, this popped up since the last time we showed you the shopping district. It is not stocked or anything, but it is going to be a rocket shop, it looks like. It's called
Ow.
Sky Supply. Sky Supply. And then with a rocket. It's a nice little diagonal building. Whoever built it, doing a good job. No idea who. But it's cool looking.
Ow.
So we're going to go ahead and get to work on our perspective builds? What's the word? Respective builds. That's it. I figured it out. I don't know if anybody else knows, but, I'm a genius.
Sure you are, little buddy.
Sometimes...
Sometimes what?
Sometimes you could be hurtful.
What's wrong with calling you a weirdo buddy?
Because you're patronizing me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Anyways, bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on the boat here. Going right here where the scaffolding is. And it's going to be facing this way. And I'm hoping to get the whole thing done today. Might also do the second boat, not sure. But we're going to go ahead and get started with that. So let's hit super fast build mode. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse. I finished the boat. There's still a little few tweaks and changes I can make to it to make it better. And I haven't done an interior because I honestly couldn't be bothered right now. But the boat is done for the most part, obviously, except for the interior, like I just said. So there's an under area. There's a little bit of space down here. I probably won't do anything down here. There's room for storage. A lot of storage. Some sleeping quarters, captain's quarters or office. Not entirely sure what they're called. This boat was, for the most part, designed by me, but I based it off of BOO's ship from Decked Out Season 2 on Hermitcraft Season 9, I think it was. If you haven't seen that, then it doesn't really matter, it's just a boat. Now, just to give you a little refresher, there, of course I missed. There will also be a boat over here, unless I change my mind. Don't think I will. But couldn't get to it in this video because of IRL stuff happened. So at least we got to this boat. So yeah, I think that'll do it for this episode. Go check out Allie's channel to see what she did in the shopping district. I think that'll be it for this episode. I'm gonna end it off here. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to. Well, like if you want to, actually. Don't go ahead and comment anything, even a joke. I don't know. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.